Allison here, and I'm so excited to start my brand new YouTube channel where I can teach you and you can watch me just like if we were at school. How awesome is that? I am so excited and I hope you are too. Today's video is going to be just like our morning session. The first thing we're going to do is a quick revision of our letters and sounds. Then I'm going to get you started on your writing. Once you've finished your writing, you're going to be able to take a photo of it, record your voice reading your own writing, and then send it to me on Seesaw. I'm so excited. Let's get started. Make sure that you either have a whiteboard, but if you don't have a whiteboard, I would like you to go get a piece of paper and a pencil so you can join me in showing your parents how good you are at sound talking and writing your sound buttons and sound bars. Awesome. Pause the video now, go get those things and then come back. Okay, we are ready to begin. Now, remember, in letters and sounds, our learning intention is that we are learning how to use our knowledge of graphemes to write a new sentence. But what is a grapheme? Well, a grapheme is a spelling choice. So, the letter or letters that represent a phoneme is a grapheme. We see and write graphemes. But what's a phoneme? Well, a phoneme is a speech sound. We say and hear phonemes. Let's go through our phase 3 sounds. We haven't done the whole sound map yet, so let's go through the ones we have done in class together. J like jelly, v like vase, w like watch, x like fox, y like yo-yo, z like zebra, z like fizz, qu like queen, ch like chicken, sh like shoe, f like thumb. We're going to stop there because we are going to do like thumb today. There are 2 letters that make one phoneme in f. Have a go at writing that. On your board, you should have written a TH. This is the diagraph we are going to look at today. A diagraph means 2 letters that make one sound. When the T and the H are together, they make the phoneme f. Now, it's a very quiet phoneme, but we need to make sure we put our tongue in between our teeth and we breathe out. We say f. Excellent. I want you to write the following words. I would like you to write your sound bars and sound buttons. Let's have a go. The first word is the. The. Have a go at writing the word the. TH and the E. I wonder, where do I put my sound bar in the word the? Underneath the TH, because the sound bar goes under letters that make one sound, okay? And a sound button goes under the other letters that make a sound on their own. Let's do another word. The next word I want you to try is them. Ooh, that's a tricky one. Have a go. Them. A TH at the beginning. Have you got that too? I can also hear an M at the end, but there's something in the middle. Do you know what it is? That's right. It's an E. Look, the word them is the with an M on the end. That's so tricky. Where do we put our sound bars? Do we write a sound bar along the whole word? No. We put our sound bars underneath the letters that make one sound, underneath TH, and then we put our sound buttons underneath each letter that makes one sound. Well done, you're doing so good. Let's keep going. We've only got a few more words to go. Now the next word is that. I can hear a little word in the word that. Can you? Have a go. Does yours look like mine? Well done. Now, where does our sound bars go in the word that? That's right, it goes underneath TH. Well done. Everyone is going so well. Keep going. Our sound buttons go underneath at, that. What is the little word in that? Yes, that's right. It is the word at. Okay, the next word I want you to do doesn't start with TH. It starts with a different grapheme. The word is path. I walk on the path. P. Path. I can hear an R sound. Path. But that doesn't look right. This is so tricky. Did you get it? I don't think there's an R in there because that doesn't look right to me. Ooh, that's right, an A. You are so clever. We now need to do our sound bars and sound buttons. Sound bars go underneath the letters that make one sound. Sound buttons go underneath a single letter that makes a single sound. Now this word is a tricky one. I think you're pretty clever, so I think you'll be able to do it. The next word has two different digraphs. Okay, have a go at the word thick. So that sound, talk it once more. Ick. It's got three sounds, so we could use our sound boxes as well. What do you think I would put in the first box? Our magic digraph today. That's right, TH. Ick. I know that one. Ick. Oh, this is tricky. Ick. It could be a C. It could be a K. It could be a CK digraph. I remember I said there are two digraphs in this word. Let's have a look if I put C in a K, if it would look right. Ick. Thick. Did you get that as well? Oh my goodness, I'm so impressed. Well done. Now remember, our sound bars go underneath letters that make one sound. We know TH makes one sound. And I know that CK makes one sound also. CK makes K. Now the I in the middle makes a sound by itself. So we put a sound button under there. Give your hands a shake, and I want you to rub off your boards, and we're going to do our caption. Let's do it. The caption today is put them in the bath. Let's say that again. Put them in the bath. Try writing the sentence yourself, and then I'll come back and I'll do it with you. Okay, did you have a go? Put them in the bath. What do we need to remember whenever we start a brand new sentence? That's right, a capital letter. So what was our first word? Put. Put. Let's have a go. Oh, does that look right? Oh, it's a U. Remember, this word is a tricky word. Put. Okay, it's a tricky word. Put them. Oh, I can hear our TH digraph in them. Can you? Them. The with an M. Put them in. Oh, that's an easy word. You know that. In. Put them in the. You know how to spell the. Put them in the bath. Bath. B. You got it. Oh, it does sound like an R, but remember, will it look right? Oh, it's an A. Great. Bath. And I can hear our TH digraph at the end of that word as well. What do we need at the end of our sentence? That's right, a full stop. Don't forget your full stops. I'm going to underline our sound bars. Let's start with the word put. Now there's no digraphs in the word put. Them. I can see my TH digraph. Them. In. It. Well done. 2 sound buttons. The. Sound bar. Sound button. What about the word bath? Before we go on our writing, pause the video and do your CVCs all by yourself. Okay, did you have a go? Does it look like mine? Well done, I'm so proud of you. Now it's time to have a little brain break and then come back to the video and we're going to get started on our writing. Okay, now it's time to start our weekend writing recount. Now, I hope you have your writing book in front of you, you have your pencil, and you have ruled a line at the bottom of your page to give you some room to sound talk your words that you may not know. What I want you to do is tell the person who's sitting with you something you remember that you did on the weekend. Great work. It sounds like you had a really fun weekend. Our learning intention is we are learning to write a recount so that readers can understand what happened on our weekend. This is your success criteria. To be successful, you need to have the following things in your writing. First thing you need to have is your sequence words. Here are your sequence words. First, next, then, and finally. Sequence words, capital letters, full stops, and details. So I'll let you have your writing time. Remember, you need to have your sequence words, you need to have your heading, which is my weekend, and the date. Once you're done your writing, I would like you to take a photo of it and record your voice on Seesaw and then send it to me so I can see and hear yourself reading your writing. Awesome, have your best go. You're doing such an amazing job. Keep it up. Okay, thank you so much for watching today's video. Frankie and I hope you have a lovely day and we cannot wait to see you in our next video. Bye!